Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create email marketing landing page for free. So using this landing page we can collect niche targeted people's email IDs and promote niche targeted affiliate product or services by sending emails to our collected email list. Make sure to watch this whole video to understand the best way to create opt-in funnel and collect email addresses. So let's start. First of all, click the first link on description. That link is lazyfullstackdeveloper.com/ck. When you click on that link, you will redirect to this page. So we are going to use ConvertKit to build our free two-step landing page and collect email addresses. So if I go to ConvertKit plan and pricing, you can collect up to 1000 subscribers for free. So you can create unlimited landing page and forms, which I show you in seconds. Not only that, you can send emails to those email list via ConvertKit. After you build your email list and start to make money via your email list, you can upgrade your free plan to paid and get premium features and increase your email subscribers count. So let's start. So basically we are going to give something for free and collect email addresses. As example, we can give niche targeted ebook, PDF, MP3, online course or something that has value, and by providing those freebie or this free item, we can collect the email addresses of our targeted audience. So first of all, we have to find something give for free. In this example, we are going to give free ebook and exchange the email address. So this ebook must be niche targeted. I will show you how to get niche targeted ebook for free and provide it as a link magnet. So go to freeplrdownloads.com. Then in here you can select a niche. In this example, I will select my niche as spirituality. So if I scroll down, here is a spirituality niche. So I click on spirituality. In your case, you can select any niche. Always try to find niche targeted product, because in that way we can collect niche targeted audience. So I go to spirituality niche. Under spirituality niche we have lot of ebook. So we can pick one of these ebook and give it for free on our landing page. So you can go to those next pages and find quality ebook. In this case, I will promote this guide to affirmation ebook. So I click on the ebook. This is the ad. I just click on close. Now here is the little bit description about the ebook, and there has 40 pages. I click on this download button. This download button is a ad. It's not a real download button. So always find this blue download button. Okay, I downloaded the guide to affirmation ebook. So if I click on that zip file, I can see it like this. So in here I will open this license before I do anything. So in this license there has ticks to yes. So I can be sold, it can be used for personal use, can be packed with other products. So we only can't modify or change the main product, and we can't sell this as a private label right product. Most importantly, we can give away for free and we can use this for build the list. So this is a perfect product to give on our landing page. So we can check the ebook, and so here is the ebook. If you want, you can read it and understand what kind of things that include on this ebook. Also I can go to e-cover and check the e-covers. Here is our e-cover. Also I can check the sales page. So I will open this sales page. In sales page we can get the content. So this is the way to find free ebook. Now it's time to build our landing page. So to do that, I will click on the first link on description and I will redirect to this page. In this page I can filter theme by category. So in this case we are going to promote an ebook. So here is the landing page related to ebook. So pick a nice landing page. I will check the URL template and let's find simple and beautiful landing page. I will pick this landing page, so I can click on preview, and here is the preview of landing page. It's really nice, and I will click on choose. Also I can check on the responsiveness of this landing page. So it's a great landing page, so I click on choose. Okay, now we can add a name. So in my case I will open the sales page. So go to sales page of our downloaded zip file and click on this index.html. so here is the sales page of this product. I will add the title as guide to affirmation. So I copy this one and paste it on name field. Then I can change the color of this text. Basically I can highlight it and click on this font color. In font color I will change it to something like this. Then I will enter a tagline. So I add the title as free ebook about guide to affirmation and their users. So in here I can change the color of this text if I want. So I will change the color to something like this, and I can change the font size. Also I can change the font weight by clicking the normal or bold type, and in here I will provide some details. So I will go to this page and find some content to add there. So in here I add this free ebook will show you exactly what you need to do to finally be a success with understanding all about affirmation. After that I add enter your email address below to get the free ebook. So in here I will highlight this one and make it as bold, and now we have place to enter the email address. So I click on this subscribe button and change the subscribe text to download, and I will change the color of the button. So I will make it as red like this, and now we have to change the background image. To do that I will click on this general styles tab, and in here I just click on this save button. In here I will remove this image and click on the background image. In here we can upload image from our computer, or we can go to Unsplash image directory or image website and get images for free. In this case I will search image like spiritual. Okay, I will add this image. Also I can edit this image as I want. So I will edit it like this, then I click on done. Also I can change the background color. I can change background color for any of those color, but I will not change the background color. I will make it as default color. So now our landing page is completed. In here I will change the title of the landing page. So my landing page title will be guide to affirmation. Then I click on save. To do the next step we have to register with the ConvertKit. So click on save, and you can enter your email address and password here, then create the account. Okay, after you create your ConvertKit account you will redirect to this dashboard. In here you will see a landing page and forms link. So click on it. After you click on it and scroll down you will see landing pages and forms. So in here you will see landing page with your title. So in my case it's guide to affirmation. So I click on that title. Now I successfully open the landing page. So our first page is complete. Now we have to create other pages, that when someone enter his email address and click on this download button, we have to set up pages to download the free items. To do that I will go to settings. In settings you have to click on incentive and you have to add your downloadable ebook. Basically you can click on this download button and upload your ebook here, or you can upload your ebook in any other place. As example, if you try to give online course for free, you can enter your online course URL in here, but in my case I will upload my ebook to this page and people can download it directly on the ConvertKit. So here is my ebook. Okay, I extract this ebook to this new folder and I copy the new folder URL. Then I will choose a file and select the new folder URL, and here is my ebook. So I click on it and click on open. Now the ebook uploaded to ConvertKit platform. Okay, now we have to edit the content of incentive email. So before that, basically there has two options. So if you tick on the second option, people will automatically download this freebie without confirm their email addresses. So basically anyone can add fake email address and get this free thing, but we don't need to collect any fake emails or spam emails. We only need legit emails. So if we select this send incentive email, ConvertKit will send confirm email to that email address, and in that email there has a link to download the freebie. So this is the recommended way to collect high quality and legit email addresses. So let's click on edit email content, and in here you can change the from email address if you want. Basically you can go to your ConvertKit account and add email addresses as you want. In here you have to change the subject and change the content. So I will create content and subject, and we'll see you soon. Okay, I add the subject as get your free guide to affirmation ebook, and in content I add hello, thank you for request a copy of guide to affirmation ebook. Click the download ebook button below and get your free ebook. So then I change the button name to download ebook. Also in here I just add content from sales letter. So in here I just add this part below here. So after that, below the download ebook button, I add when you click on this download button, you will add to my email list, and I will send you weekly affirmation and law of attraction techniques. Then I add best regards and my name. So this is the way to create incentive email. So I click on save. Then we have to create a thank you page. That means if someone enter the email address and click on this download button, he will redirect to thank you page, because we have to inform them, check their email box and click on the link on the email that we sent. So we have to click on this plus icon, and here is the thank you page. In this thank you page I will set the name as guide to affirmation, and in this text I will write content to this area, and see you soon. Okay, in my thank you page I just add congrats, you are almost there. So then just one more step to download the free ebook, and in here I will make those as a list like this, press enter. So those steps are: check the email account you used to sign up, look for an email with the subject line get your free guide to affirmation ebook, and click the big blue button inside the email to confirm your email. So now we complete our landing page and the thank you page. Then I have to go to settings. In settings I have to go to generals. In generals I have to check the redirect to the thank you page. If you select the success message, you will only see a success message after they click on the download button. So make sure to check this redirect to thank you page and click on save. Now your landing page ready for collect email. So now you can click on save and publish. Then you can click on this share button. In here you can copy the URL. So click on this URL, and if you open it in new window, here is the unique URL to your landing page. So basically anyone can add email address here and click on download. So I will adjust test email, but test@mail.com, and click on download. When I click on download, I will redirect to this thank you page. So here is the simple process to create your landing page and collect emails. I hope you get valuable information in this video. In next videos I will show you how to promote your email marketing landing page on social media platforms and collect emails. So if you like this video, make sure to like it, and if you have any kind of questions, just let me know. In next time I will see you with another tutorial.